Something moves where no one is looking, almost weightless in the dark. Only a few eyes remain open. In a social group, sleep is never shared equally. Individuals take turns watching, scanning the forest floor for movement. Here, survival depends on early warning. Not rushing, not revealing urgency. Drawn by scent, sound, and opportunity. The alarm call splits the dark. The troop scatters, all but one still where it was. It is death, cut off from warning, cut off from panic. It tastes the air. A forked tongue gathers what darkness hides. Scent leads it forward to one life. The dragon climbs, branches shake. Still, it sleeps. A life now hangs. Inside a few seconds, only fate will decide. Not yet lost, not yet saved. A violent mercy. This time, it survives, because another stayed close enough to wake the silence. For the dragon, there is only one chance. Not speed, not pursuit, but surprise. Without it, the trees will always take them back. Last night, death reached for them, but left empty-handed, and nothing tells them it is finished. Feed, disperse. Hierarchy relaxed and danger forgotten. It returns, low and silent. Because a Komodo dragon remembers. It maps scent trails and feeding grounds. For a moment, everything appears peaceful. Two worlds separate again, but only by distance. The deaf one feeds alone, focused, vulnerable. The alarm call erupts. Pass from throat to throat. Around it, panic. Within it, silence. It looks from one fleeing body to another. No pattern, no meaning, just motion without explanation. Confusion and stillness are a fatal delay. For monkeys, survival is collective. One alarm, one mistake, one missing voice can change the fate of all. Too many targets, too much motion, no meal again. In the wild, there is no reset, only pauses between outcomes. Asha, blind since birth, has lived over 10 years within a pride that learned to move around her darkness. Her entire world defined by the rhythmic thud of her sister's footsteps. She follows her sister's lead, trusting each soft step ahead of her as they move toward the kill the pride has brought down. She reaches the kill, taking only what comes to her mouth through memory and proximity.